So back in the early 70s, I worked with Master Feng Yi from Peking, and he was one of the teachers to Bruce Lee. He would bring in the question of, show me your Kung Fu. Most people think that Kung Fu was a style, but it's not. So what it literally translates to, it's show me your style. So when Bruce Lee said, show me your Kung Fu, his Kung Fu was Bruce Lee. Everyone's an individual. You eventually create your own style. So I've created that obviously with my Qigong. I've been teaching Qigong for almost 50 years now, doing it for over 50 years. I also want to encourage you to join our Morocco Method Facebook group. We have other Morocco Method users who are always willing to jump in and tell you their tips and tricks to help you to discover your own individualized hair care. A lot of us come up with our own individualized use of how to use Zen Detox, how to use the henna. So with henna, a lot of people are either afraid of trying it or very skeptical because they don't want to really turn into a redhead or turn into a green, blue hair dye job. But we have lots and lots of videos on YouTube about Morocco Method hennas, our #1 seller actually, and we're turning a lot of people into going natural to stop the bleaching, which is very carcinogenic, stop the dyeing. We have 7 shades. Neutral, if you want to just do it for conditioning. Then we have the blonde, which gives us sun streaks. Then we have the light brown, medium brown, dark brown, black, red. So send us any videos, any pictures before and after, or tell us the story of how you're doing henna as an individual. We would really, really, really be very excited to hear these stories and let other people know your tips and tricks.